Alright, so how do we call that function here, over here? Well, we just say set timer by function name. By the way, it's a set timer by function name is very useful for once you get to an advanced level. You see yourself using it on a daily basis almost. And for time, we can now say the same over here for 0.01 seconds. And we want it looping because we want this to, once the function finishes, once the function finishes here, to come back. Okay, for function name, you go to move forward, press F2, Control C, come back here, Control V. Alright, everything looks good. Compile, save, whatever, play, F1, and now if you press W, you're moving.